and I'm watching me a Kumau Training Institute at the program on was.
Alright, it's all about Abrabo Mu Nsem Jumediena Kumau TV. Yeah, the Abramo and then a 16 February as usual. Your month of love in Odo 14 February. Echem. Na echem na the Nsem February see on that day 14 February. And some around Mr. Eugene DJ love to idea. O man ka sabe you Mu Nsem and baby 14 February. Omudi Abrabo Mu Nsem and when it goes to our uchi. Abrabo Nsem esisi wo na Abrabo dane den nyina nsem ekoswo ye na Abrabo nti ye dia Abrabo Mu Nsem dwumadi Abramo Kumau TV na meka wo se ene eye coffee be 1 week coffee be a onya ne baby ko ene na ye di ni 1 week may he so rest in perfect peace yes nyankopon se onfa ne currency e baby bia obi ane ye ma na busu afo so shedding wa sha eje mi da so Thursday ni red and white no ye di akosi na ye Mr. Eugene wa hai na DJ love to wa hai die Mr. Eugene me mo akwa baba Kumau TV
ye nua
dane den nyina ene mo anete
wa we ni tia
14 February twem okon
me ye on night wa ha
ona wan
Kumau TV say Friday bia ye all night tina ye wa ha ye
hu say the onho ye
Nyamiadum
the prince na by virgin prince obekan Eugene she what
obekan she ho
obo ne frat
obebo no I say Eugene the dane da ye bono na aya na atifo no ha na no na eden dane da ye be koso abono a say Eugene obi a aya na sometimes o person play stubborn kakra ye be fa na
no ahwe that's the ko
Thursday no there in fact have Thursday with the meme din wo dem nipa ni bi be yo ma e wo adwuma mu nti after do ye na chi no na me ma adwen se mehye dem na me ne nkola no e di agro kakra ofia so sometimes e wo fifie chesa na enkwa no nso afew ha nti no ja
ya Thursday we di odi ne
me di ni wo dem me ne mofra ne di ni wo dem
oh yeah sure
me di ni wo dem
oh yes
me di ni wo dem me di ni wo dem
ya ho meso
una when new dia wo dem
me di wa sorry dem
udi no we
sorry dem
na no wasesa na
dem
who see we pre akoba sa ye pre nyira ka pre say di no wasore dem
DJ love ne Mr. Eugene go come man go
wa ma sam a o de buy
no laptop e wa sorry dem e ho na mo mo fanesa ene e coffee be 1 week e dey na mo country coffee be
minia in fact ade na ato Ghana fo nyina ani sanse sa brante we obi a ye ka ahobrase pa wo Ghana music industry ni mu a we obi a obre no ho ase pa nti Ghana nyina na ahwera de na ye besre na ya hye abusuani nyina hyeden na yakase nyame woni nenim ni oye na oye ema ne ma nti abusuani nyina de ato moni de ene Ghana nyina ne mom omo hyeden na omo ntintim na nyankropon e wo nepa e de ma wo
nyankopon e wo nepa e de ma Mr. Eugene obeke bi ache
kakra mekane se wiase de nyankopon nenim de oye ana ebia manesa so ankenye nti de meka che busuafo ne se omo hyeden na nyankopon be hye o manem de o ma hwe bia
e be hye o manem de o ma hwe bia no omo hyede yesre busuafo ne se ade ato o mani de na emum omo mi o mani na omo hye omo ho de Abrabo Mu Nsem latest one na ye de brom Thursdays ni nyina ye de ma chede ni nyina kan abum na ye de sa short video we bro wo hye na wa fam wa futu na wa frɛ na do wa dwenkyerɛ aba ebra ne so a ye be ma won so wa frɛ na watimi de wa dwenkyerɛ aba yenko na se de da ye no no yenko hwɛ video ne bra ye ba ye beto anko twetwe ne so as usual
training job training Kumau Training Institute aye Kumau TV for at the job training ebre Ghana for nyina ye de enamienu esi ho akyerɛkyerɛ ensa no nyuma bi te sɛ fresh yogurt sani esi ye fresh yogurt bees making sani esi ye ahwene de to ye nsa ne ye sisi fefefe liquid soap shower gel floor cleaner parazone ice cream banana and strawberry ice cream afei so ye besan so akyerɛkyerɛ 3D epoxy biodigester sa we nyina no ye de namienu pe esi ho na ya kyerɛkyerɛ
Mende nyasem ketwa. No no ahwe. Baby o. Yeah, quite. Don't you my address? I'll buy Uncle. Thanks, Quanso. And see a museum. Well, don't you, Uncle, where you are Cataban for a bag?
It's okay. Oh. Hello. Am I ready? That's right. I'm about your room number, Senaji.
Brana, be me, I'm a so.
The horse of half. Now, I'm your room for Friday.
I say, as usual, baby, yeah, me buy one best one hotel.
Why is that Uncle J down?
Actually, baby, I bet you.
Because one. You Ninyaminko. Bye bye, you Matsima Catcher.
David. That's you.
No way.
Oh, my feel papa. My child.
I'm nice.
So many cool my traffic. Oh, my child. Why papa, Anna?
Oh, the rock or you've been.
Me for your hand. Me who are smart, dear cry. Anna Valentine is here.
Hey, now, dear, I also say,
we will cry, can use some more dog. You will see a shame or do more dog. You know, made out of what you did. Smart papa.
No,
Not that. But there's soon do have a sit down.
Yeah, dear, young quay say, can see a cobe, my chance.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Okay.
I'm a time could be.
But I soon say it's I mean the time will come. And the Valentine and you bring your best starting tea.
It's no delay, no.
Young Kuniko show.
It's no delay.
You can show when you have a fun caca. So what I say.
Them is my phone.
Uncle. Baby.
Let's have a friend, Abrana. Because you met me, kind of mercy. I'm not knowing my money, my shiki. Okay. The Abra.
Hello. Okay, President.
Hey, wait. Some of the kind of saying, your best one hotel.
I thought the best one hotel, and I'm a boy.
My jet room no money 16.
Ain't you have a academy group or why?
But more than check now, said and then I can't see any no. They jelly cheers on so, but more dear than has see Anna.
And I would say, I'm about why, Pacho.
It is so Bomade. Why? I can't know I already. Why?
I'll be back.
Bye bye. Oh, I love you. And all the time. You must have a quart in your can you see this other quar? Yea, cook will be a no, near no member drew. You more beside beings with a brother, a pidas idea. I would do one of them, Uncle. And that's how the Ujiki, my friend, or Maba. And then, Abrabo to me, one of more grief in Palace.
Ofrobia no pessoa bieja, ofrobia no pessoa bieja. Mas o problema já me de never day já. Kan ko ya lo shopping bi na. E kan tu mo na me ne de ya se mo emba. E pe di sikam se be deji. Atempe.
Mu Nsem dosu. Make up baby be a befia bedi and me by yet and me by yet and I want copy
baby I'm in oh baby
Mu Nsem dosu. Abrabo Mu Nsem dosu.
Baby, watch you.
Enemy by yet and now one cobia was a young girl. Abrabo Mu Nsem dosu. Make up baby be a befia bedi and me by yet and me by yet and now one cobia was a young girl. Abrabo Mu Nsem dosu. Make up baby be a befia bedi and me by yet and me by yet and now one cobia was a young girl. Abrabo Mu Nsem dosu. Mu Nsem dosu. Because we there something strange, mommy. Oh, we there cafe, me here cafe. So I said no, we are about to or your bow. Come on, shut out the crowd. I make us say, I want no more. So much you see for such a bad time. I'm not going to run. Oh, Jaja, remember the
Dum. See how well boy am money.
And then look crack. Oh.
No so bad, but who so bad am panic you. It's
See. Unime. ADB.
You are tired rather than
pressure. ADB. My friend. Same hotel. Baby, Mamma so unime. Unime. Me need for body ni. Obi am na sha ware baba ware. Papa hotel my friend said bra. Me the hotel number amount say room 15. What is room 15 no. Me nim ye say obi nso abeji room 16. Ah, all train on also all train the girl. On so man no room no. Ana girl no urban a confuse no be room 15. Me wa me so me share bathhouse. Me yem hu ye ho. Oh, so and also buy an or run ho da and pan so nim say the guy na o bathhouse.
Me do asemo wa.
I pay ya. Just say gri me pay ya. What do abufo what pay?
See any better.
Ya ko nya bo tre krama me. Now the minute was won say bra na ono da the next room. Ono ba abeni ne girl na assort out. What did they call?
Oh, they didn't
Abrabo Mu Nsem adults. Steve Amani Funo, way part 1 and 2. Steve and Naire or free Abrochabe no our friend Naire. Although baby I Metanushi and hotel, best one hotel one. Branacha said, Yan to Chunkomoka can you whom you're hiding. Actually, obey Jay so penny, it's yes, you know, come off and buy send you or Steve. Steve 15. It's Udra Rem. So on him doing him set the girl ban with and you drew an old room. Steve washroom. Yen who ye kakra or wow. Open so one next door, room 16. As one friend the girl said, Mammy, may chain wool. We will room 16 into Brana and she so kakra or them what I say. Some who watch a gay you when you gay channel. Gay cocoa do hotel wa. 15 and 16 no obi kan na say 15 akoshe 16 and 21 tin ye e no bowura eye room 15 baby a Steve won owura wonim say ne boy dem no chase error run ho no tompa no so no die Steve so get by Steve dey she washroom no onim say ge bia ba ho na say Steve mpie no me ha oba ye nim a ne ge aba beto so ne ge ne guafu ye de Steve mpie be ha asem asia oba foforo na dampami Steve ni mo bayi wo baby a ne girl yi so abehu so ba afro dampem ba ma no so ono so try ne girl no ni Steve girl na wo beje di say enye Steve empna ne girl no na yo bi from pna se ne mo kire no ana se wonya hu say girl na bo naked on kwa dey attempt to kill Steve attempt so obeye yi nti na ne on fan che no ma beje fo anya atena si dey na je say medical ko DJ love to so kane and son of you have about Mr. Eugene or DJ.
Kweneje. Yebema yahwefo nyina ne hwe said that da musomwada. Musia hokran musia be 3 or 4 times. But on American no tiase. Minim se hia musia no enye hotel room ho no ankasa nko a na ya amukọ. Okay. Devil e den ya obebuki ansa na wako. Okay. Wa frɛ wo ho kani se wo mra wo nkyɛn. Okay. Nipa na ba bedu ho. Wo ba he no waba be hunu so oba foforo ayi ne ho da wo mpa so
ote wo kran kanye
ya ema wo nso so wo hye washroom ebe ye dan na sa nipa we abenya adwene bi se o ene e bia ente sa na ti sei senka Steve mpo ene kwoto o be masa wo oba no dan mu a ana se hotel a o fi senka Steve ko be fa ne sen oba ne nyamfo so bia
onyamfo so
edikan Steve ka o ka kire ye nyina ma ya ti ase so why na adwen so oba be ware enya no kure Steve nu ankasa no wo hwe na bra wo bo no a enya ware akwan so no wasi
onsi awale kwa
obi a wasi aware akwan so no senka wo ti agrochire wo ti obi man so na wa ya wa adwen se wo ne obi a hye aware na mo be ware ya enya hotel room ena se so ne ko hia obi a no obi hye aware de senka Steve mi ati ase se oni ababa wa na etwem pna de a and can you a normal sound muko show hotel? No, be only be shaware. Now free ya brochira babedu or micro Ghana. any who Steve as a bugger baby what if you dream won't to mean see dying won't to mean prepare on her dying
say ebia
enti hotel na abeko da bia onyanya no huska
onyanya dan huska edense ka wo mu
edense ka wo mu hotel se ka wo mu pa wo hwe sa best one hotel ya Steve so okoda ya means rokra no room no ede no akwa spend wo ho no one tua kra no betua ba 200 Ghana cedis.
Wow.
200 Ghana cedis no. Now so wanu masam say as usual. Na say wo de ota akọ opa. Steve no yes ono agasa no obo na say wo hotel. Onye na adwen say go bo ababa wana manasia ware yakwan so. En na da no de dada ababa wana. Enti sa ababa wana ba behunu a we eye signal bi a e ma ababa wana hunu say Steve nye obemma sabi ene ne bobra ma ne yeye. Because obi a wo wa ya wa dwen so opo so ware oba o te abrochire de na me meti Ghana ha kura me matimi aye bibi say me ne me girlfriend aha dan na me ne me girlfriend timu a ye hwe video no ababa wa ba kono ne boyfriend na nya omu fie obi fie no mo ha dan no mote enti ye de na aye Steve say ontumi nko han odan emfa mo oba ne ntika mpo ono ankasa soro akọ oba ne fie kura ne Steve no onye na adwen so obekọ because why na adwen so obekọ a enko fra brochire ba na nka ya asetena papa enka nye hotel na ombekọ akosia enka Steve no kwanti min sida ne bia ese so okọ ababa woni fie enka nye hotel ni say Steve etimi bobo sika no de ko hotel abra ababa wani wo fie a wotimu a na se ono ankasa no wonye serious so opeso obobra me de me stand am gina so nyina ne say ababa wani twa watwa fa so a okọ no onim ni patirim na we kura ya ma me picture bi say abrantia no obewura hotel ho bi ka ho no ye ka say e obi girlfriend ti no no call ya ye mistake ye 15 ni 16 no e plan work
okay
oni abrantia ni nyina plan e onso mienu nyina roro mo ho no motete wo omu nyina roro mo ho enya say hotel room wo ho nko a so roro ho enti sa abre no e de na abrantia ne ye odan mu a wadwa ne bo hwe mienu nyina afu e plan work omo to mbo se kodidi ame ena omo ba ye plan say okay enya my girlfriend emra me nso me ko se washroom enya e oba ya na na ma bo no pan wo nso me de na ba bo no pan omo ya ma bi so omo bo game no omo bo e plan work me de me support ababa wa no sa baba wa na nyina ntum biem ene Steve antena kra me pene so
wa nyina ntum biem ma
me pene so me pene so because Steve no ankasa no onye na adwen so opeso wara baba wa no enkenye hotel room ena ombeko na wo hwe ababa wa no so ono nso sa bewura ho no a wo hwe nanim ene ne yobi a oni Steve ni na omadwa ma ye pe na baba wa de sabi eye dan na wo kokowura hotel room na say your boyfriend po na afre wo a wo bo mode aduru ho no ano asate wro ho enye dwamanfo ba na be yesa de wi eye dwaman entu hwe Steve muma so na hwe ababa wa na no a edwamane bo Steve muma so ena ababa wa no so adro wona no ena omienu nyina de nti enye sa ababa wa no be pie su na nka Steve beto no a hwe ababa wa ye odam pai so yi hwe no ho akono hwe no ho akono pa odeda wo wo hwe ne Brazil ene de wa wase yi ne ho a
timi wo hwe ni nyina
enka Steve no nka nya de obaba to ababa wa no gya no ho kwa amana koda enko be fa ye kura pama ababa wa no si abonten se nya ha na wo ba ansa na ne girlfriend no kura obaba wa ba enti ohwe adwaman no atwrobo we muma so ena bo we nso ano ena omu nyina adete me point ne say ababa wa no ene Steve no nyina planning ene abrantia no o se hotel ho no omu mienu nyina planning enti ababa no betu so a onim Steve tirim oni na adwenem we nya mfe no obegina ho abegye nkyeremu ho nya so dem nya bekenka atwro konkron akyeremu akyere no enya so dem eye hotel
love to obi beka so Steve ho asema eya afa akonya tena so wanya no
enye hotel
Mr. Eugene
ho nya so dem enti anko kenka ba wo ho
Mr. Eugene
you say last time bia me ka say say love to one Steve problem personal problem
as if yes you money be so
serious o esi ya hwehwe Steve pa na oni love to share
ya ne be so
ne be so mo say problem ben no do oni love to them
okay
because it's like same way and can you can say twim twan say way as simple as ABC
okay
why we say the video iko ye ya Steve shep washroom ababa we ya bewrem wan hu no say obi abewrem ana so obi mewrem
what say puna cash
me bow so wa frɛ the wives wo mra Wachire ni wa baby owo. So what I say, wachire so me wo baby ade bia me ba ye da no.
Ye ta adam.
So what I say, oye obi a yemfa ne say oye obi a tembia no.
Oba bone a.
Tembia oba.
Okay.
Onim say o me abia afi no mo si dan so mo ye de so oni dan ne de e ho hwemo.
Okay.
Say asem na aba no ane ye ka ho asem. Girl no so nim say okọ oba bia e ho ana omoda.
Okay.
So what I say, ana o tie Steve asem a o si ono because of ni DBNT no. On pese obekọ akọdida ha. Na obi akọ set camera kra akọ hye ba bi na akọ fa problem ma brand. Nti ba bia de bia me ba ye wo no. E ho ono so oba ofre normal reserve sa room na eden. Ama no. Isi jeso.
Okay.
What I say, e wo inside. Nti ono so nim se ne boy no edem. Boy so ahiti. E wo dem so otwen no. Enti wo oba waba. Excuse me to say oba bi wo a oba betu bibisa although ya. But sometimes no reaction nipa ne beye e ma hu say ya de oba ne twen kakra o tie Steve o ma Steve 1 minute kra enka hu say oba ne pie ya na be ma no so be wurem.
Okay.
What ma say enka ho na ka problem ne solve e ma ne hu say Steve nye bone.
Okay.
So enti as nipa bia na so oba no ukoto bibisa na ya abotre.
No so.
And ese unya hwe mama ka asem chomi se me beto se ubutu meyere so. Ha? Ubutu no so a the only thing na me ne se metie sound na eba no.
Okay.
Oh jemi mu me pesa jemu wo de ujenu mu amefa ma ade.
Okay.
What ma say? But say we koba say, "Oh baby I love you. Baby I love you. Baby I love you." Na che say there. E straight one ma ho kwan. What ma say? Enti no wo ko ye bibia ese onya abotre. Na utwhwem etie mu ye. Bibi because obi ye obone anya abotre no ma explanation. Opa afa, opa menfa.
Okay.
But say wanya kwan. Ama Steve wan chire mu anchire. If Steve crappy obi say again say wo peden wa. What am I say? Upede wa.
Asem bi sa to abeka say camouflage bi no ye. Upede wa ha no bi ka say what?
What say Steve Grabu fu pia be ma no. Because ono me e ho no say ya nim komo ana e koso wo ho de. But me say ebufuo ebo mo 3 ni nyina hantem.
Say ga won ka boy ni bebo Steve blow.
There be say wate ase. Me say mo chirechirem. Omo chirechirem anka ono na beto on the years what that Steve Mpaso go on the bed to Steve Blue.
That time on are you ready to fire?
And I make a blood because you won't feel floor the abano. What you call no yeah, one no cocoa no girl, no abe say or they'll be pass one. Better to Steve Blue. But on ya but 3 muno. When we say oh a mistake na day. Abba. So I say it isn't a girl in Yabutre. No TM even those who nya botre wo ho a odi na chiko mefie wo no esen ko ma Steve time
ente ye be bie phone in no atu na won so a wuti wait me de wadwentre aba na make I will say Kumawu Training Institute Jumedien baso Saturday we ya ebe ya na Kumawu Training Institute Jumedien no baso 22nd and 23rd they 2 days job training na ye de bre ya shafo ne ya dofo nyina upeso osia de we ye liquid soap Bra Kumawu Training Institute na besia shower gel floor cleaner biodigester 3D epoxy and niema with fresh yogurt makeup beat making and niema ahudo be bra peso osia ni nyina oba Kumawu Training Institute ye be boa ama wahu nsano juma papa de ye ya di certificate je say Kumawu Training there ye adepankwa na ye de ma ya hwefo ene ya dofo nyina enche ye be biefo ni no atum na onso watimi e de wadwentre Aba yen try won simambra ye ba ye beto ankomo twetwe ne so
training job training Kumawu Training Institute aye Kumawu TV for at the job training Ghana for nyina ye de enamienu esi ho akyerɛkyerɛ ensa no nyuma bi te sɛ fresh yogurt sɛnea esi ye fresh yogurt bees making sɛnea esi ye ahwene de to ye nsa ne esi fɛfɛɛfɛ liquid soap shower gel floor cleaner parazone ice cream banana and strawberry ice cream afei so ye bɛsan so akyerɛkyerɛ 3D epoxy biodigester sansa no dwuma we nyina no ye de nam ye no pɛ esi ho na ya kyerɛkyerɛ ɛyɛ kumawu tv foɔ ɛna ahyɛ da akɔfa a teacher foɔ a ɔma ben ɛwɔ nimdeɛ ɛna yɛyɛ saa dwumadie ɛyɛ meme kwasiada ɛna yɛyi asi hɔ sɛ yɛyɛ saa dwumadie wei obi biara tumi bɛ bi. Job training. Kumawood Training Institute. Aye Kumawood TV for at the job training. Abrabo
Mu Nsem edosu ye. But studio ha aye de ye pa wa and ka be ye de. Woni Steve cause it's so be ye de. And I won so ni papa wa na. And ka be ye de. Ube jahe no. And I said because asembi sa na se akoma. Ohun sa no ba na bubu na koma ayemre. It wo de America epie ko wentie Steve no masem. Steven so person church mu che no wentie wenfi no. Mama ko DJ love to na me man 1 minute na onfa and can't your person can you na me wian maba Mr. Eugene one on so the ne dey at us.
Queen DJ. Me point nyina ne say. On say bra me kasa no. Me kasa me kan say me tinu pa wo picture no mu say e plan work.
Okay.
Ne man ya plan work pa ne say hwe bra abrantia no a na oba na e besra na mistakenly odi ko wura sa edan no mu no. Sa abrantia no hwe bra obe wura dan mu ho no. Onso oba ya na obetam oba no na ode ne koe. Oba ya na obetam ne girlfriend na ode ne koe. Enye hiti na wa hiti o. Enam say eye plan work na omumienu ani magu asinti. Because oni nanka we na eye na adwen say ene we ni beduru ho no ko fa ya wie ya. Nanka we ni so beduru ho a no no so aba be fire. No mu wi na omo san de yese nya enya ha na wo ba ene enya ha na wo ba nanka we so ko a. Oti ase eye plan work omumienu no nyina memma ne mienu na plan e. Emma ne de eye victim no wa betom keke.
Me mameka say ya plan work aden
omo plan work omo plan
so awura dem no wo say na nya me boy ni no wa mada wo say woni me fa me ana so wo su wura ha wo say
woni me man ya plan work kese pa no
bi wo ho a
Eugene
ya mo me ya kan no pre so what you say ya because
bra no ba na
say ya na media obo dan go for na yo bo dua no bo de was me de bejew
duabo
so what you say obekun aso atwene
mama ka sembi hwe ni e man ye hu kese pa ne say
ade bi wo ho a ye say wo nya because
wo ba na wo ko wura o boyfriend ne hotel room na wo bopun mu no enti boy ne ji so no a wan ka say woni mo voice ne voice no
boy no
boy ne
ni wura room o wura mu no
woni ne voice
o hu girl na ko
woni mo boyfriend ne voice
wante
ben
obi share yem bia funi no na azefo so entimen fa on
wante say
Brazil 200600360202006036002 obetimi afre na do adwen kire aba numbers no enegu screen na san frɛ na me srɛ adofo o fra eya lowa TV set no emaye yesro ni dp hello hello boss me ba chodini baby akase free
me pacho me wo a western region me participation with humanity
okay me ba cho etio
hello
me ba cho etio
but mo duma na mbese me vision bi ana
okay adwuma no obetimi aba na wa ba besu bi ba se sia ne de eyeye Abrabo Mu Nsem nti ebre ne so aye bebie sa afuni no na watimi afre ti sa number no ye da sipi se watie ni ye amaye
eje woni ma asam ba ko a ehu pa wo mu ni say bra wo koduru ho no oba no koduru ho no ahu say hotel room number wey 16 wey 15 no ade na kire say nka wo say wo frɛ
hello boss me ba jodi baby akase free me ba jodi baby akase free hello Mr. Ofra no wa low TV set no e de amaye hello
good afternoon
madam me ba jodi baby akase free
oh yeah from Charity
Charity me ba show me too
like girl no. Ntan ko ba no onya abotre no chen kakra.
Also chen kakra.
So chen kakra.
Nye ho na also ro na card ye.
Ba ko no. Okay. Now is opre. No for so run attack.
On more planet.
Okay.
No, so we do honor, we do honor why
so hello. Hello. Hello.
Nanka wo ko ba bi na so ko du honor say what
confuse
room 15 na say wo confuse you a won friend nipa na ofra.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello, boss. Beba Jody, baby, I got a free.
Okay, your family Evans because this is my name.
Beba Jody, too.
Sacho. Beba, speak enough to me.
Speak by someone yet.
Okay.
Then an answer me yet.
Speak by someone yet.
Dating an answer me yet.
Oh, yes, speak by someone yet.
Oh, there be. I am more video near. I know my.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes, was Beba Jody, baby, I got a free.
Hello, Beba Jody, baby, I got a free. Okay, Fleming, that's it. That's everything.
Wrestling, me pacho meet you on a low TV, like a crab mammy.
Sister, now we can no a mistake.
Your D can only a mistake.
And yeah,
one yard, dear. Okay. Now you said, Sister Steve, no, the answer no names again, no ho.
And Steve, do a mistake. There are no woman, I a mistake. And Steve, you so.
Or person say, lady now, obey rather one. Hello.
I a mistake. Steve, you mistake.
Say, Gina Steve, now I am from Swa, and I say, Ababa one, na you na enya butremano. It's a wolf fra, no one my young baby, I will kwama. So kwama Steve, and I say, oh, kwama, na year no. Me patchomati as yes, sir. Hello.
Hello.
Boss, we patchodini baby, I can say free.
Hello.
Patchodini baby, I can say free.
But I'm going to give you plus for 7 days.
Me patcho meet you.
Me patcho, the Genesis Obano didn't kind of. I order the Unison channel or you enjoy an afternoon mistake. No, you
don't be another.
Yes, a Bema or Baba Gunyabatre.
It's also a girl in Yabutre.
Udo be another.
Ceciano, I didn't say.
Udo be
another.
Hello. Hello. Patchodini baby, I can say free.
Maybe a Basuba dominant Cassette in Patu.
Okay.
Now, if I can only say, a Beman, a Banadica, a Rowan, on my plan work.
I plan work no my.
Yes, I don't know Obago or Cassa or Obago, Vecasa, and Mebla. I don't know what cheap voice, you know.
Okay. Now, I say no Kuna. Okay. Also, tears and Nikuna, I say Nikuna.
I will tell you, Babia. Okay.
Oh, Fran, our low TV sets and near didn't come off on us.
You say, see, I said I didn't.
Hello.
I say, a tear for new way near.
Almost stand. Says almost from more Kwame Steve. And I saw Baba one. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, Madam Pajodini, baby, I can say free.
Good afternoon.
Maybe I meet you.
You're from Matilda.
Pacho meet you.
You're from Matilda. Me friends you don't call.
Matilda, Pacho meet you.
I got one on the one.
Get an idea. Okay, Steve, get an idea. Okay. Yes, sir. It's your say. Say, Steve, get no control, so say. Or children, I know with P. No, I said, hello.
Yeah, Bepacho, because I can get some now.
Okay, Bepacho meet you.
And Pacho Steve, one arbitrary.
Steve, you're in any arbitrary.
Because Obebiano, it doesn't become also not had it. So,
okay.
And see, one arbitrary, yes, we never turn so.
Okay, we have a chance to hello. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, me Pacho Dini baby I got free.
Because I feel like bumping what it is.
Pacho meet you.
If you get now from so go to room number number 16. There now quite cool baby.
I do quite cool rap before for Sunday every girl no me boa. Okay. Okay.
Oh, I didn't say.
If Robano rap them hono. And I say if we Steve. And I say if we girl not Steve girlfriend no nya abutre. And no na say say you pese you. Because they say oh baby no go rest Steve them. Steve they no washroom. Next Steve ni washi. And oh baby abo naked. Oh Steve them. And a Steve ni pie Steve girl beto so. And an abufuo aba. It is a wine quarter. Hello.
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 Hello. Hello.
Okay.
Hello.
Me ba joye ti o.
Good afternoon.
After me ba joye dini baby akasefi.
So to begin you are picking because of the
Okay. Ba joye ti o.
About all you man should be not them plan with.
Plan way.
Plan with.
Okay.
Plan with about obedience and what you have
okay. They say Steve, you know, on your but turn on Steve and no matter no and son as own Jai Steve. Hello. Hello.
Tisia, I didn't say Tisia no. Ese this question now will be say ese Steve no.
I said na I am be say obi fra say no be right inside one. And I am girl no mem.
Tisia no ne yire na wanya abotre.
Onu so ye main factor wa se bo.
Ne yire na wanya abotre okoye. Eho asem ne ye ka Tisia o. Ese ko nya abotre tie Steve.
Okay. Hello.
Yeah, but I think to my son for you.
Charity Bajo 8
But I was say, and Steve and a girl or can't go by when you're
okay. I was a Steve girl, Yabutre.
But I also Yabutre, but not Stevie, Niho. And again, I roll no. And I see you only getting in our post. So I can't use me Yabutre.
Okay.
Now, Steve, no, so if you watch more, but no, no,
eh, so by say,
hello.
If I show me do also.
Also, I'm about to meet you.
If I saw me fun up to the end so.
Oh, for I love today and so.
Me pass a bit my work. It was a so jai girl.
Okay.
And on in a dance for the show because then you must or born or king or this one until the boy.
Boy.
And I will run a bit my washroom home because this and one mean no bedo or roll on the home.
Okay.
It is when you are but
hello.
Hello. My friend Richmond.
Richmond, pleasure to meet you. Richmond, meet you.
Hello.
Hello, Richie, meet you. Oh, Richmond ain't me, engineer, so I'm from my. Hello.
Yeah, hello.
But your Dini baby, I can say free.
Yo, you're trying to go to TV and can free tomato.
Go to TV and patch meet you.
Kate, I'm working on one seven. Lost, on your mistake.
Lost in your mistake.
On your mistake, the tennis. I don't say,
Steve, on your mistake. Steve, wants them now, okay.
Okay.
Steve, wants them now, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
On your mistake, the tennis. Also, no, the girlfriend,
okay.
What do you say? The girlfriend,
oh, no, him send a girlfriend, Abba. Okay.
What you say?
Okay, into Steve, on your mistake.
On your mistake.
Okay. Because yeah, that's the plan. Hello.
Hello.
That's all Dini baby, I can say for you.
Hello, it's me, ma.
Iman Bajo meet you.
Steve, wife, and the Oyen and one.
Yes, Steve, wife.
Oba bi no ho baba betu say eja de woni fi a onye didi.
Okay.
So be didi.
Okay.
Aha, anti the Steve wife ne na no ano no.
Okay, the Steve wife yeah and no ano no.
Hello.
Hello, Mpacho Dini baby akasa free.
Mpacho friend big jump kasa switch for Mpacho.
Okay, Mpacho meet you.
Mpacho na me ya hon. Ana my na no that action. Oni me no dey no say na go. Shem. Until my na na so that dey no so no say no man. No man na dey call me no on my tree. And I want to say on no say why ready that. It
is Steve Nyam.
So who call being chain a hotel? Now could do on a hotel number na miss what? The first thing also to me and say, yes, I miss you. 15 is 16. 15 is 16. No more friend. The iPhone also 150 and 16.
Hello. Wait me.
Obo munako emia a different. And that's what bomb na kokoto Steve.
Okay. It's okwe no ko hu se wo woda wa.
Wait me engine.
Na ka we sure so okwe na ka Steve wo wa. Okwe na ka Steve wo wa ko bewura.
Hello.
Ya dibi wo mo me nka no crep.
Hello.
Hello. Hello. Good afternoon.
Me pacho Dini baby akasa free.
Me pacho me kasa free ai isi abu no very street. Oh, Kwame Nyampa.
Okay. Pacho me.
Hello. Me say me kasa free Kwame Nyampa.
Pacho me family too.
Hello.
Me show low TV sets and me kakra me pacho pi low no.
Me say me kasa free Kwame Nyampa.
Me pacho meet you.
Your friend Kwame, me kasa free Kwame Nyampa.
Kwame pacho meet you. Hello. 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 Mr. Mu any dear mo friend na malo am TV set no e dey amaye. So na be ya mo bete yang. I said you receive call no na no wetimi edi nkomo e wo phone so dan say u betie free TV ni me pa ma chopi. Hello.
Hello.
Beba Jodini baby akasa free.
Hello. Hello.
Ba Jodini baby akasa free.
Me ka free Ampane.
Ampane, pa jo meet you.
Me ne tan dan say. O mai wa so ba wala dia.
O mai jin so ba wala dia.
Wala dia. Wala ga ne dia. Ki. Wala jin so ba wala ga ne dia. Why did you want to tell me?
Okay, so why not just over our idea also in Yabuche? Obi Ewan man, so hello. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, was Beba Jodini baby Akasefi.
Your friend ABC. No captain Dominic.
What do you mean too?
Steve in your Bonivia.
Steve in your Bonivia.
Okay. Bonivia, for friend again, so in 16. If you can be this hour as one friend, we need at the Bonivia country.
Okay.
Hello.
Hello, Mpachodini baby Akasefi.
Make a second channel so your friend or him.
Why you man Pacho meet you?
If I show Steve, you know, I know it.
Steve, you're an
idea. Okay.
I'm as Steve and Yadia, Obi, our manners for my Indian free on us. Hello. Girl, Nanya.
Una wa be power hotel
be na get unya botre no chire omu na we na ye dey
there be somebody
there unya botre no there be
that moment no nipa na hia botre
adebenti na unya botre adebenti na unya botre
hello.
Hello.
Hello, me ba jodini baby akasa free.
Your friend is double me kasa free plan.
Double mba jo meet you.
Ọba náà nya adìẹ. Wọ́n abẹ́ tún sàánú mpẹ́ wọ́n sẹ́ wọ́n ṣí àbùtẹ́. Ẹnhwẹ́ asẹ́m a lókun no ẹbẹ̀ka kyerẹ́ no ansan. Nti ahyẹ́ ìgbà nkẹ́ ní kwan sẹ́ wọ́n fa buku. Nti ọba náà anya adìẹ kura.
Ọba náà anya adìẹ kura. Yẹ́dá sí double.
Ó di ẹ̀bùfú akọ̀fie wà tó àwọ̀ fie hɔ. So what I say, so a bit
hello. Your banner and the no quansua. I was any bufu. Steve never to
hello, Bajodini baby akasefri.
Yeah, from is Steve Tete, Mikasafi, about Dumasi.
Pacho meet you.
Make one idea. Can corner say, a dino, no mess, neither. I can say, best, and then we are so back of a board dino.
Okay.
Give me them.
Hello. Hello. Hello, Pacho Dini baby akasefri.
Within the Isaac, Mikasafi, as a quadrant.
Isaac, Pacho meet you.
Steve, why not dear?
Why not dear?
Steve, I not dear.
Steve, I not dear. Okay.
The yearness one dear.
The yearness one dear. Draw.
What about to be saying? Also, now would drain a trim slow.
Okay. And there's a woo kwama.
And Steve was one no get out there, look at over.
Now there's a walk with a walk and me in a woods in a hedge now. Oh no, was Steve Anya dear. I know Banzo Anya dear. It will be unfunny dear. Be any dear. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
But you didn't baby akasefri.
But your friend, you must never pick up.
Okay, but you meet you.
But your women are boy, no, you can't real Baba, no, you are no friends and so on. And what I have.
Beverly is so bad.
We am so one.
Beverly. Mr. Injo, no, I didn't tell you.
Hello.
But you didn't baby akasefri. Hello, but you didn't baby akasefri.
Hello.
Udini baby akasefri.
Hello.
Hello, but you didn't baby akasefri.
Mikasafi Tawa.
Never to meet you.
Pata on say I didn't see you. Also, abandoning them money and yabotre.
Okay. Nice, I'll pay you. Obi and yabotre. You draw. Okay.
Hello.
Hello, but you didn't baby akasefri.
Pacho, a firm Christy Gilbert, Mikasafi Nutapade.
Okay, I'm going to meet you.
Very good. Video maker pa.
Okay.
Steve, only 40 bia. And again, over that also only 40 bia because Steve, you know, by the processor, get about down some way now, also fast to buy inside.
Okay. Okay.
So, me, and also fast to buy inside.
Okay. Okay. Okay, now I was a person who my tears, say, send your band and read them on. I will be a person, and Steve, you to row. Hello.
Hello, that's where your friend is Cecilia Mikasofita Friday.
Me pacho dini baby akasefi.
Cecilia Mikasofita Friday.
Meet you.
Mrs. Cecilia Mikasofita Friday.
Me pacho meet you.
Me pacho Steve na wanyadi.
Steve anyadi.
Womusa wanyadi o se girl. Otima baby no she. Baby idea Steve ni girl no be ye divi.
O Steve anyadi ba ka o se girl ne etant no already
Nko se so nya abota.
Nice wakabum. Hello. What me edge na so am fa my Also no akwa mo mienu nyina. Hello.
Kwa no be kwa mo mienu.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes, madam. Pacho dini baby akasa free.
Hello.
Pacho dini.
Hello.
Hello. Mr. Wani di mo fra na malo wa mo TV set na e di ama yes mo fi.
Hello.
Hello. Baako afrim 80 yentimi ye be fa 49 4 course pe na ye be fa account baako hello bajo din ni baby agata free
makasa free ka fa family Janet
okay bajo meet you
makasa free ka fa family Janet
bajo meet you
hello makasa free ka fa family Janet
Mr. Ulo TV set na tie me na ni nkomo Mr. ni di mpa
Pacha me friend free ka fa family Janet dia ba ya ni bi oba ya you know
dia oba ne ba ye na no ano ba ye
no ano ba ye ka so ba bia no ho oba so
okay oba bia no oba so okay Janet ya da sipi hello madam Pacha din ni baby akasa free
Pacha your friend is Love. Because of Peter Fabby.
Rich Love, me Pacha meet you.
Pacha girl no one ya girl say ko nya butre ma bem.
Okay, Rich Love so girl no anya de nko so nya butre. Aka frefo mi no, ye be fa eno na chese. Ye ti me fa frefo bi abiem. Hello. Pacha odin ni baby akasa free.
Your friend is good.
Lisbeth, meet you. Lisbeth, meet you.
Lisbeth,
Ofra no one low TV set no ama me Michelle. Oh, obia nyina so Lisbeth, Michelle low TV set no mama. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, madam. Pacho dini baby akase free.
Because there's one of us here is application of some country.
I go see Pacho meet you.
Maybe I saw there. Madam, where and Wanadi. No, I can go back to meeting.
Okay. Okay. I go see her at the okay. Go to Yabu channel. Aha, and a brother more client, and it in a day after phoning in a SC. Yet to me and for be a brano, and ya, I am bread. DJ.
Kunede.
Oh, I asked him.
Oh, now, sir, Mano, me my church, and TJ, wow,
agreement. Okay, love today. Me producers at the Bema. Me producers at the Bema.
Me sure some my phone. Okay. Ain't no any more producers at
the Bema. Me change the producers at the Bema. Yeah, try.
Fonyina yedi enamienu esi ho akyerɛkyerɛ ensa no nyuma bi te sɛ fresh yogurt sɛnea esi ye fresh yogurt bees making sɛnea esi ye ahweneɛ de to yensa ne yesisi fɛfɛɛfɛ liquid soap shower gel floor cleaner parazone ice cream banana and strawberry ice cream afei so yɛbɛsan so akyerɛkyerɛ 3D epoxy biodigester sansa no nyuma we nyina no yedi namienu pɛ esi ho na yɛkyerɛkyerɛ we eye kumawu TV for ana ahyɛda akɔfa a teacher for a ɔma ben ɛwɔ nimdie ɛwɔ nsa no nnwuma ho sɛ ɔmo betimi akyerɛkyerɛw na wo nso wanya wo nsa no adwuma na wo de aba obra ɛyɛ cool 300 Ghana cedis pɛ anase yɛ de 300 Ghana cedis pɛ ebesua saa nneɛma we nyinaa ɛde na mienu pɛ na ɛyɛ baabi a ofiri bia no wo betimi aba bi yɛn nyinaa yɛ bakuma ase ɛyɛ ahodwo atenga junction baabi a kumawu TV wɔ na sɛ wo fra kyiri na ɛba accommodation baabi a obɛda no ɛyɛ free Jumadi Ebaso 22nd and 23rd February 2020. Eti busumi atosu mienu. Nida atosu aduonu mienu eni aduonu miensa. Enumu ana yeye sa Jumadi. Eye memenda eni kwesiada eni yeye si ho. Se yeye sa Jumadi we. Wei obi biya timi baby. Se woye lawyer ni, se woye fitani, se woye okreni. Adwuma bia woye bia bra ne besua nsa no dwuma so ka ho. Enu ti fa number na egu screen so no. Ne frɛ yɛn sesi a. Frɛ yɛn wɔ 0200 603 6 002 fresh 0543 596070 fresh CA na register within eye Kumawood Training Institute ose ensanu juma ayinfie afei na yesu atiasimu ebeye
Abrabo Mu Nsem say ya enete ye dibi etutu ye wofo na ya fa efutu sem kakra afa niema ekoso wo ye na nkasa ya Abrabo Nsem esisi nyina ebetimi ato me ya Abrabo Mu Nsem na ye de bro me producers e the numbers no ama me producer say Mr. Eugene enya 14 and a DJ Lofty enya 12 na just and that dear Mr. Eugene ashe dey yin yem ashe DJ Lofty
last week me ma odi o ba na ja crop ho no oni so ono aba ese me chi ne no
oni ne wo mu ni say on say ahwefo mo hwe no omo kra ye judges chain ya wo ha sisi e so what ya
say na ahwefo ya na kire
anyo mo na course na aba enti bia na bia ho a so ha se ne wo say me time Steve bia na obi so MCR ho a bia me so time obe kwa mo
ono na trotro ye o o ka ti o se wo trotro bisa ne so o di o trotro ne
ya je me producer
bisa ne se o ya say
producer
who dey bisa ne so o nya say
MCR for say yes to Augustine and that is to Loretta musamu na motan love ti ya
na director na nkasa kra no no ko against me kakra director nkasa against me kakra ne na ni nyina mu
bisa ne se di o no trotro no nya say
ni nyina mu no ne me pese me kan ma yahwefo ehunu se enfonso ho abre bia manipa ya brabo enti ne nka ne yie mu pa na de na nka wo ko ba bi no a wako hunu se aha ye 15 aha ye 16 na e confuse ne de nka anytime bia wo wura ba bi sa no esa se unya rest assure enti ne wo se wo ye na se wo frɛ na wo confirm e bia ba bia wo ko wura no sabi wo ko wura ho na jata bi na ho ana se wo bi na ada na hugu ho ana se bia obi abaye ne nyanka made bi na akoto so a ko fa o akase pa e di abro enti nipa bia wo ya ade a wo se odwene ho na wo hunu in the first place kwa nipa no a wo bo opun no mu a oje so no wo no guy na tena che ese se wa kwa wo tie hu se voice ye agi so idie ase enye ono a wo se nka wo ma eno no kra ya ade a ese ehu hia opa ansa na bewura ho a wawura ho eye mfonso na aba menim se yahwefo no ebefa bi na omu nyina de atu omu fo se otena bi no se wura ba bi ete saa wo se wo ye rest assure na ansa na obewura ho a wawura ho ye be de omu nyina ase se da ne da omu se break etena omu television ho a omu de hwe Abrabo Mu Nsem we yi Abrabo Mu Nsem ebetimi atome nua yuji a wo se wabu menei
and I will when I love Friday no intimi and we show be happy Valentine's Day
yeah ma me fo akwanya nso na ne wa wo ntafo ama me a wo ye me yere me ho kani Helena Dankwa me fo akwanya nso na ma we na happy Father's Day wo ne me twins me ntafo no na ma we show mo happy Father's Day na fe ye nua Kofi bi na wo tweda ane omo edi no ya ma abusuo ni nyina ya akọ se Nyankopon enka omo ho na eniema entimi enkoyie emfa ema abusua no
odi nyame emma omo sade Mr. Eugene enne de kia ne ke wunti na me de sa akonya we ato wo se Father's Day wishes no wentimi anwehye odofo bi enne oberehye no o final words what they kind of
me final words ni say ya da obi bia ase so nya abotre tena ase hwe Abrabo Mu Nsem kama na bibia wiase abotre ewie nkunimdie no matter say the situation netie bia no nya abotre fa abotre kan wa brabo ho e wo wiase because fine say ade a girl ni nya abotre etie Steve a enka me nya sure say nke ya betena ha discuss say wetima say nti wiase abotre ewie nkunimdie say owom say ya so be kwa kwato odofo say oni oba hye dem na although oba na ro no be man so ro no ya
okay
but ese unya abotre na oditie afanu ni nyina na wo yeah
Vas there
oh nim tell us menchi ama for just a scriptor
na posti de bia chia no and Vas there adofo denti
oh me wadofo bebre madofo nyina Any matter for you now, maybe she'll be a happy birthday.
One had the
awareness.
Aha, and a brother Malcolm, me a digimedian in Abana, Abrabo Mu Nsem, and our Niguswa, now ocean, or say Abrabo a tray. Yes, so we are boko, to me job one taxia, it me in and son, and who's our one taxi and son in ye. In think a Steve, we are tools and go near but Kavian Steve, Richard, and Mama, my yellow is the same to when your pressure. But what checking the pressure, and then I'm 140 something. I was also in Yabo Tress. Sounds sooner. Ababa one or two hotel room. Now crack a 15, 14, 16. Now on the also do an outbreak. Now confirm me. Now, and a Bremo kind of me did you mediate in Yabana. Me, I did you mediate Muchiame. Me ding any queen. AJ Hipsy Bar Coupe. Me name a bedja for DJ Lofty and name Mr. Eugene. Meda MCL for us, me Sister Loretta. Danny then you know sister law and a boy a tree don't for my that and from and so now called VTR sister Augustina which yaw ye pan that so the Danny then ya boy video P Kobe Frank me that's a pan yankupon in show ye pan me director original Sam Daku send ye me kai and birthday ya receive ya dofo Mammy so me receive my dofo me receive me colleague sister Augustina obi biara o ye juma e wo kuma TV may we show Biara happy Valentine's Day and most especially my family, my mom and my dad, everybody. And to that special person, I wish you happy Valentine's Day. I'm already taken. I'll be you know that Kumawu Training Institute for Baba Betnasi. Ya Baba Betnasi near Pinsem, the destiny Diana. Ya baby a phone in now one so our what's in your friend out the Wadentre. Abba, Ofra, ya baby one come 5 o'clock sharp. Now Kumawu Training Institute and Penyon for ya trans sounds so now what's what finance no battle den pa 6 March e wo Kumasi City Mall star ben na afiso hu no die na afiso ye that de bra na yen gi ye na yen chele na te say eni die no enye kese pa yes ya kramo that's ne ye betai esia mumba vai
Training job training Kumawood Training Institute aye Kumawood TV for at the job training Ghana for nyina ye de enamienu esi ho achretre ensa no nyuma bi te say fresh yogurt sene esi ye fresh yogurt bees making sene esi ye ahwene de to ye ensa ne esi si fefefe liquid soap shower gel floor cleaner parazone ice cream banana and strawberry ice cream afei so ye besen so achretre 3D epoxy biodigester sansa no dwuma we nyina no ye de namienu pe esi ho na ya chrecherew Wey eye Kumawood TV for ana ahyeda akofa a teacher for a oma ben ewo nimdie ewo nsa no nyuma se omo betimi achrecherew na wonso wanya wonsa no adwuma na wodi aba obra eye cool 300 Ghana cedis pe ana se ye de 300 Ghana cedis pe e besua sane ma we nyina e de namienu pe na eye Baby ofri bia no obetimi ababi ye nyina ye Bakumase eye ahodwo Atenga Junction baby Kumawood TV wona se ofra chiri na eba accommodation baby obeda no eye free Jumade eba so 22nd and 23rd February 2020 etibusumi atosumienu ida atosu aduonumienu ene aduonumiensa enumu ana ye sa Jumade eye memenda ene kwasiada ene ye asi ho se ye sa Jumade we obi bia timi baby job training Kumawood Training Institute aye Kumawood TV for at the job training ebre Ghana for nyina ye de enamienu esi ho achretre ensa no nyuma bi te se fresh yogurt sene esi ye fresh yogurt bees making sene esi ye ahwene de to yensa ne esi fefefe liquid soap shower gel floor cleaner parazone ice cream banana and strawberry ice cream afei so ye besen so achretre 3D epoxy biodigester sansa no dwuma we nyina no ye de namienu pe esi ho na ya chretre we eye Kumawood TV for ana ahyeda akofa a teacher for a oma ben ewo nimdie ewo nsa no nyuma ho se omo betimi achretre na wonso wanya wonsa no adwuma na wo de aba obra eye ku 300 Ghana cedis pe ana se ye de 300 Ghana cedis pe e besua sane ma we nyina e de namienu pe na eye ba bia ofri bia no obetimi ababi ye nyina ye bakumase eye ahodjo atenga junction ba bia Kumawood TV wona se ofra chiri na eba accommodation ba bia obeda no eye free Jumadi ebaso 22nd and 23rd February 2020 etibusumi atosumienu nida atosu aduonumienu ene aduonumiensa enumu ana yeye sa jumadi eye memenda ene kwasiada ene yesi ho se yeye sa jumadi we obibia timi baby se wo ye lawyer ni se wo ye fitani se wo ye okuani adwuma bia wo ye bia bra na besuensa no dwuma so ka ho enu ti fa number na egu screen so no na frey ensesi a frey was 0200 603 602 frey 0543596070 Freyense CA na register within eye Kumawood Training Institute ose ensano dwuma ayimfie afei na yensu ya tiesimu ebeye job training Kumawood Training Institute aye Kumawood TV for at the job training ebre Ghana for nyina ye de enamienu esi ho achretre ensano nyuma bi te se fresh yogurt sene esi ye fresh yogurt bees making sene esi ye ahwene de to yensa ne esi fefefe liquid soap shower gel floor cleaner parazone ice cream banana and strawberry ice cream afei so ye besen so 3D epoxy biodigester sansa no dwuma we nyina no ye de namienu pe esi ho na ya chretre we eye Kumawood TV for ana ahyeda akofa a teacher for a oma ben ewo nimdie ewo nsa no nyuma ho se omo betimi achretre na wonso wanya wonsa no adwuma na wo de aba obra eye ku